Quite the crew out for Crust Report week 1. We got Darwin, Billy Pout, See Good, Alfie Mills, Lulu Allen, Elian, Fred Pieeeeece. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate the crust of this park?
0. I see nothing wrong with it. It's perfect.
So Lou, how would you rate the park on a scale of 1 to 10 for crust?
I'd say it's overrated for crust. It's not actually that crusty. Like, I'll show you some crusty parks if you want to go to a crusty park. This is a 6.
Crust is good.
Is it thick, Alf?
Yeah, it's crusty as fuck.
It's
guys.
How would you rate the park, Billy?
It's alright, yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this mini ramp?
Oh, 10. It's bang.
10.
That's the one.
Straight in. Overrated as far as I'm concerned. I don't know.
Here's a good man, you can get a good curve.
Sweet one.